Hey everyone, if you've ever spent hours trying to turn a beautiful Figma design into actual code, only to end up with something that looks not quite right, this video is for you. In Bolt, you can import your Figma designs directly and then keep editing and building without starting over every time something changes. You can iterate on your designs and functionality, switching between Figma and Bolt, creating smooth workflow that actually makes sense. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to go from design to deployed application without losing your mind. Sounds good? Let's get to it. So first, let's see how we can import our Figma project into Bolt. When we go to Bolt, we'll see this Figma button here. It says import from Figma. When we click on it, we'll see we have to choose a Figma frame, and Bolt asks us to paste Figma URL here. So how do we get this URL? To get it, we need to go to Figma, and we need to open our project and select a proper frame. So for today's video, we're going to use Untitled UI, which is a great Figma UI kit and a full design system for your project. There are also a lot of community resources, so if you don't have your own project, you can go here, check, for example, portfolio templates, and use the workflow from this video using one of those templates. But we're going to go to Untitled UI now. This is how this file looks. We have foundations, we have components, we have assets here, so the full UI kit. But the very cool part is that we have marketing website examples. So let's say we go to landing pages. We're going to have full websites that we can try to import into Bolt. So let's go with the last one here. We have full page for desktop, and now we're going to get our URL. So to get it, we can click here, right click, copy paste, copy link to selection, and this is the URL we need to get. We can also get it here from the sidebar when we select our proper layer. So this one here, we can right click, copy paste, copy link to selection is going to be the same link. And one important thing here is that if we want to import our Figma project into Bolt successfully, it's important that this project has auto layout. So to know if this specific frame has auto layout, we can check in, again, two places, either here. So we need this icon to be enabled, or this icon here. It also tells us that this specific layer has auto layout. If it doesn't have auto layout, you can still import it to Bolt, but it might not be as responsive as the designs with auto layout enabled. Ours has auto layout enabled. So again, let's copy paste it again, just to be safe. We can go back to Bolt, import from Figma, paste our URL here, click import Figma frame into Bolt, and in a few seconds you'll see how this project looks inside Bolt. Our Figma design is now successfully imported into Bolt, so let's see how it compares versus the original. So this was our original design. You can see we have those magnetic lines in the top right corner. We have an image with one rounded corner, top left. We have two toast notifications and CTAs and the headline over here. When we go to our Bolt design, we have magnetic lines, top right corner, one rounded corner of the image, two toast notifications, CTAs, and the headline. So it did a really good job. And when you look at the copy and the specific assets, it's all a carbon copy. So usually we need to download all the assets from Figma, upload them again, copy paste the copy that we have here, structure it really well. Here we've just copy pasted Figma URL, and Bolt did all the heavy lifting for us. We just had to copy paste the link. So this is an amazing starting point if we build an app or a website that we can iterate on. And in the next step, I'm going to show you how you can make this design even better. So now let's say you are still working on this design in Figma, and we've decided that actually we kind of like this iteration more than this one. So instead of re-importing the entire project and replacing all the other sections so we have our perfect version, we can just re-import a specific segment of this iteration. So in this case, features section. We can again right click, copy link to selection, go back to Bolt, click on the plus icon here, import Figma frame. We will again copy paste a specific URL. You'll see it's going to appear as a small thumbnail here in the bottom left corner. There we go. Now we're going to select this section. So we're going to click select. We're going to select this entire section. Here we can pick which one we want specifically. So from the drop down, we're gonna select this specific section, and we're gonna ask Bolt, please replace this section with the section from the Figma frame. Gonna hit build, and in a few seconds we'll see what Bolt comes up with. Our sections are now replaced, so when we scroll down, we can see we currently have the integrations section here. So instead of our original features section, we now have the integrations section. And again, it only took one copy pasting of a Figma URL frame into Bolt. We didn't have to write any code or ask Bolt for specific changes that we want 2x3 grid and so on. We've just copy pasted the link and Bolt did all the work for us. Now we can also switch smaller elements. It doesn't have to be the entire section. Let's say, for example, we want to switch this button. We can go here to our UI kit. We can go to components. We have a lot of them. One of them are buttons. Let's say we want to switch it to this sign in with Google. So we're going to right click again, copy paste as copy link to selection. We go back to our project. We're going to select this login button. Again, from the drop down, we can select a specific element. In our case, this is the button. We're going to go here. We're going to import Figma Frame, paste the URL, wait a couple of seconds for Bolt to import the specific Figma Frame. Again, we're going to see the small thumbnail when it's done, and we're going to ask Bolt to replace the current button with the one from Figma Frame. Gonna hit build, and again in a few seconds we'll see what Bolt did. Awesome, our button switched, the import was successful, and now we're gonna get to the cool part of this workflow, because anytime you want to make any change to your design here in Bolt, you don't have to go back to Figma, make edits in a Figma project and import Figma Frame. That's just one way to do it. It's very convenient when you started designing in Figma, but a lot of changes will be much more convenient to make directly in Bolt. So let's say you want to switch all the colors of the button background and the elements to blue instead of the purple. So instead of going to Figma and just copy pasting Figma frames for all the buttons or re-import the entire project, let's just ask Bolt to switch all the purple buttons, backgrounds and elements to blue. We're gonna hit build, and in a few seconds we'll see the result. Our change is ready, and as you can see, all the buttons, all the elements that were previously purple are now blue. So with a one quick prompt, we've changed the primary color of our entire project from one color to another. Very cool, very fast, very easy. So now we're going to switch gears, and instead of importing a website, a landing page design, we're going to import a web app design. For our web app, we're still going to use Untitled UI, but instead of using one of the marketing sites examples, we're going to go to application examples, informational pages, and I'm a big fan of this calendar UI. So as before, we're going to go here. We have auto layout enabled. So we're going to go here, copy paste as copy link to selection. Going to go back to Bolt, import from Figma, paste Figma URL, hit import Figma frame into Bolt, and in a few seconds, you'll see the result. Our project is imported, and there are a few differences between this design here and the original one in Figma. So while it's very close, when you look at the details, here we have a very regular grid, and there is enough space between the tab here and calendar. When we go to our project, the grid is pretty irregular, and we are missing space between the tab here. There are also some spacing issues in the top left corner. So instead of going back to Figma and trying to re-import it with some different properties maybe, so Bolt imports it in a different way, I'm going to ask Bolt to fix it. And on top of that, I'm actually also going to ask Bolt to make this design mockup that we have in Figma into a working application. So my prompt here is going to be that I want Bolt to analyze our design, what this app is, and make the components interactive and actually working. I'm going to ask Bolt to fix all the UI inconsistencies as well. I'm hoping Bolt will figure out that we need better spacing here, for example, in the top left corner. And I'm going to also ask Bolt to make sure the calendar has a regular grid, that the web app is full screen, so we don't have to scroll to see the bottom of the sidebar, and that we can click on already existing tasks and edit them. So I'm going to hit build, and we'll see in a few seconds if Bolt understood our request well, and if we're actually going to get a working calendar application from this single prompt. Our second iteration is here, and I'm actually quite amazed by how well it turned out. We've asked Bolt to fix the UI inconsistencies without telling it what the inconsistencies actually are, and let's look at our spacing in the top left corner. It looks really, really good. We also don't have to scroll to see the bottom of the sidebar, and our grid here in the calendar view is perfectly regular. All of the tasks that we see here, we can click on them, we can change the category, the color is gonna change, we can delete events, they're gonna disappear from the calendar, we can add new events, let's say January 11th, we're just gonna call it a task, add event, and we see the event appears on our calendar. So starting from a single image here in the Figma project, after importing it to Bolt and adding one more prompt, we already have a working prototype that looks, feels just awesome, honestly. And from this stage, step by step, we could add more functionalities. So we could add different tabs here. We could import different Figma frames if you want to change the entire sidebar, for example, or specific buttons. We could edit colors inside Bolt. We could turn it into a personal productivity tool. We could even turn it into a SaaS. It's all up to us, our vision and ambitions. But whatever our vision is, Bolt is going to help us turn this vision into reality. So there you go. We went from Figma design to a working landing page in minutes by simply copy-pasting the URL. Then we iterated on it in both Figma and Bolt and turned a completely static design into a working prototype with just a single prompt. If this was helpful, drop a like and let us know in the comments what you're planning to build with this workflow. And if you want more stuff like this, subscribe, there's more coming. Now go build something and I'll see you in the next one.